How to disable Hyper-V on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is right click on the start button and then open up command line cmd or Windows PowerShell as admin or terminal in Windows 11. And then you will need to run the following command, which is bcdedit and then space /set space hypervisor launch type without any spaces like this, and then space off, and then press enter on your keyboard, and you should see that the operation is completed successfully. And when you see that message, the Hyper-V is currently disabled, and all you need to do is close this and restart or reboot your computer. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe if you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.